And these are large items that occur even genetically in these canaries, and they'll have a feather follicle that isn't exiting its proper exit. And here's kind of that aberrant or abnormal feather. And I will have my technician turn off the oxygen flow for just a minute while I'm actually doing the laser, because I don't want to have a flare. So this prevents any bleeding from occurring. You can see there's a little bit of smoking out of that incision I just created with that laser. So I'll be able to get that out. Then I've got the remnant in there of the origin. I'll stand off a little bit distant with my laser and just see if there's another portion of a cyst. Then I'm going to apply the laser to this area but I'll stand it back a little bit to see that contract down. See how that just is kind of sizzling all down, contracting, a little bit of smoke, a little bit of charring. That just close that follicle opening right up. And I'll back away a bit further and do some at a greater distance, but you see that close that right up. Collagen will contract and close up, and now I've got that closed up, and I'll treat it, some biostimulation. I'll back up a little bit further, and it is on a continuous mode, the laser is. So that side is done, and I'll let that be. Make an incision to expose this cyst. This is a bigger cyst. I need to kind of get that expressed out. So I'll get this one expelled, and there's another one adjacent to it. That's a very attached. There we go. You can tease that out and get that all removed. So now activate that, kind of get that collagen to contract, and it's starting to close up now. And I kind of want that to all just stop up. I'm holding off about ½ of an inch away from the spot, and we'll let that be just like that. This is our little canary. We just did the cysts removal on both wings. Both cysts are removed, and this bird will be going home. Their owners are on their way to pick it up. The procedure was done about 30 minutes ago, and that's our little canary waking up from the procedure. I don't know if you can see it very well. There we go. There's a better view of it. And that's our post-cyst removal canary, and ready to go home.